The grey area. Urgent 6. Reasons for grey squirrel control. 1. Threat to red squirrels. Before the arrival of the grey squirrel, Squirrus carolinensis, in the UK and Ireland, the red squirrel, Squirrus vulgaris, thrived as the native species. The introduction of greys in 1876 had devastating consequences. Greys compete with reds for food and carry the squirrelpox virus, fatal to red squirrels. Additionally, adenovirus transmitted by grey squirrels poses a significant risk to red squirrel populations. 2. Bark stripping and wood consumption. Grey squirrels strip bark from trees to access sap, impacting tree health and timber value. Despite similar behavior from red squirrels, their dwindling numbers don't pose the same threat. Without effective grey squirrel control, newly planted trees won't survive beyond 20 years, affecting ecosystems and commercial forestry. 3. Impact on wildlife diversity. Grey squirrels' diet overlaps with that of red squirrels and other wildlife. They consume tree nuts prematurely, reducing food availability for native species and affecting their reproductive success. Additionally, they prey on songbird chicks, eggs, and potentially other vulnerable species, like dormice and hedgehogs, leading to a decline in wildlife populations. Property damage. Grey squirrels entering residential spaces pose a threat to property, causing damage to roofs, timber, cables, and pipes. Such damages are often not covered by insurance policies, exposing homeowners to financial risks. 5. Public health concerns. Increasing human-squirrel interactions, especially in urban areas, heightens disease transmission risks. Squirrel-borne diseases, including salmonellosis, Lyme disease, TB, and rabies, pose significant public health hazards, emphasizing the need for grey squirrel control. 6. Essential for red squirrel conservation. With an estimated 3 million grey squirrels in the UK and the looming threat of red squirrel extinction within the next decade, grey squirrel control is imperative. Natural solutions like the introduction of pine martens, which prey on squirrels, have shown promise in reducing grey squirrel numbers. Trapping, shooting, and proposed methods like oral contraception and gene editing offer avenues for effective control measures. The economic toll of invasive species, including grey squirrels, on UK woodlands underscores the urgency of conservation efforts. Dedicated volunteers are crucial in the fight to save red squirrels, emphasizing the need for collective action from individuals, landowners, and policymakers to safeguard this iconic species. By Brendan Anderson, UK and Ireland Squirrels, the Grey Area Group.